dinner at the Huddle House, and by dinner I mean breakfast at night. You know, that thing known as dinner.
54.5 miles ahead, take exit 85 and then merge left to ramp on US 78 East.
Cool. So I gave our tentative ETA to our customer as like 5 hours from now. We've got 190-ish miles to do, but we have a fuel stop in there. And that fuel stop is in Birmingham, and we're going to be in Birmingham during rush hour. So, you know, we might get there in under 4 hours. We might not. Also, the last like 100 miles of this load are US Highway 280 out across central Alabama, and I have no idea what to expect from that highway. So that could be a great road with 0 stoplights and really fast running, or it could be a very slow road where we average like 45 miles an hour the whole way down. I don't know. I do not know. So we've left ourselves some wiggle room there. We're definitely not going to get there on time. We were supposed to be there in under an hour from now.
2 miles ahead, take left exit 261A to I-20 East.
I-59, I-20 junction, left 2 lanes closed. Oh. Well, how's that work? Aren't the left 2 lanes the ones that go to I-20? Worst case scenario, if we're not able to exit here, we can go down to 459 and take that up 280.
.3 miles ahead, take left exit 261A to I-20 East.
It works. Cool.
0.1 mile ahead, merge right on I-20 East.
Oh boy.
.1 miles ahead, take exit 126A to ramp to US 31 South.
Yep. Oh yeah. 126 Caraway Boulevard, right? 280 South. 126, 280 South. Whew. Whoops. Went over one too many. That's fine. Easily corrected. I can't believe we got all the way across the freeway coming off of 65 like that. I was expecting getting all the way into the right lane to be the hard part of this.
0.3 miles ahead, take exit 126A to ramp to US 31 South.
Water tower say U-Haul on it?
0.2 miles ahead, keep left.
I think it does. Yeah, that's a U-Haul water tower, alright. That's odd.
0.5 miles ahead, merge left on US 31 South.
That's very odd indeed. Also, hey, fun fact, you won't be hearing too much more from that GPS that you're hearing right now. The company that made this GPS app, 120, went under. They are officially closing all operations in the middle of June, and the GPS app will completely stop working. So, yeah, PSA, if you're a driver like me that uses the 120 app for GPS, find something else before June 18th. Because it's done. They're finished. I don't know. I don't know what happened there, but they're gone. Pennsylvania make that decision too. It's just usually easier to make a cut through a mountain than it is to maintain a tunnel for any period of time. It's not a great look for the mountain, but you know.
0.3 miles ahead, take ramp and then merge left on US 280 East.
Surprised at how chill the traffic's been so far today. Sylacauga.
0.5 miles ahead, merge left on US 280 East.
Sylacauga. Alright. Interesting name. Am I alone on this ramp? Mostly. Let's move left. Well, we made it to the customer. We got here about 8:20, 8:30-ish. So that's 3 hours and 3.5 hours late, almost. Which, you know, considering we started 5 hours late, I think is not half bad. Yeah. So, yep. We're sitting here waiting for a dock to open up for us. And until they do that, we are just gonna sit here. So, yeah. They didn't seem angry that we were late, but we missed our chance to get unloaded on time, so now we're just kind of stuck here at their whims, which, you know, that sort of thing happens. That's how that works. They call the shots on that one. So yeah, here we sit until we get unloaded. Freedom! We are unloaded. It's 3:30 p.m. We got here at 8:20-ish. Time for us to go find a parking spot and get the trailer clean, which conveniently we should be able to do at one solitary location. Okay, really? Wow. Bold move. That moment where you come around the corner and a truck flies past you in the very next lane is terrifying. But worked out fine for us there. 1, 2, 3, 62 on the speedometer. We're only going up like one exit. Going up to exit 70. There's a truck stop there with a trailer washout, I think. We're spending the night there no matter what. Unless the company's going to try and run me on my last 2 hours on my day. Which I doubt. I doubt significantly. See, what I did is, since this place ate up my entire day, I did not sleep while I was waiting for them to put me in the door, because I was under the impression I was going to get a door very quickly. Turned out that was wrong. That's kind of the revenge that some places take on you. If you show up late, they take extra long to unload, which is fair. You know, from their point of view, they have no one to blame but me. So, because they don't know what went on in the shipper. They have no idea, so makes sense. They make me wait. When they can work me in, they work me in. But yeah, so we didn't spend the entire time we were there in the sleeper berth. I logged the time it took me to get checked in and parked as on duty, and then when they called me like 4 hours later to put me in a dock, that was also on duty, and then here about 3 hours after that we were on duty to exit. And we are driving on duty right now because we have the hours. That's generally my rule of thumb. I don't use off-duty driving unless I absolutely have to. And we do not currently have to, so we're not. Yeah, that's just straight up only boots. Alright. Oh no, they got shirts too. Alright, that's fair. To branch out, you know? This would also be the local cat scale. Gosh, I think this might just be a 100% truck place. I don't think they have gas pumps. That's kind of neat. Is that the Henderson truck? No. I was going to say, is that the guy that was unloading next to me today? But no, it's not. still gonna park next to them though. You know, for solidarity reasons. Also, I want to get the spot next to him because he's really far out of his space. And I want to get that before the spaces next to him fill up. And that becomes way harder. Do. That'll do. I think we're like kind of halfway between the angle that the prime driver is at and the angle that the May Schneider, the Schneider to our right is. So probably close enough. All right, sleeper, berth, okay, cool. Committed, next load. Are you joking? It picks up tonight at midnight. No. What the